Okay, here we are again, and we are having the working with the events calendar so we can add them to the sidebar. And I'm going to go ahead and show you an example. This is a website I'm working with Redhead Marketing. They have a website they're doing for their client Tina Dupree, and I'm getting the theme and stuff set up for them over there. And she's a professional speaker. And so we have her on the front where she's speaking there, but we want her events. And so we have her upcoming events showing up right up here in a special widget. And then it will also show up on some of the pages. And you go to pages, this is all we have for the sidebar, it's just the upcoming events. And so any of the pages we have the sidebar on, it shows up. And then people can just click on the events and go to them. Now I'm going to go ahead and we may go ahead and add an event tab up there so that can go to the event calendar by itself. But as you notice, one thing, it says this event is passed and it is not passed. And I'm going to get back to that in just a minute. And now we're going to go ahead and go back into the dashboard. Okay, we're in the dashboard and you see the events widget. And the events widget, you can have it show up on the main sidebar, which is what we did, so it showed up on the pages. And we also have it showing up in the home widget bar. And this is something that's specific to the theme. And we have it, let's see which one, different page. And we have it showing up home widget 3. But what we did is we just took that events list widget and just slid it on over, and that's how it got in there. Anyway, have fun with this, and let's go back and see how to fix that. Sometimes you'll come into things and you'll have something and you have a problem with it. Like right here we have where it says event has passed, and it's not passed, okay? And I went and looked, and all the pages are saying that, and it wasn't saying it a couple days ago. And so the first thing I did is I just went into Google and just searched the events calendar, event has passed. If I'm having an issue with it, I imagine someone else is. Here you go, and I went on over here, and I searched, and it came up with the WordPress.org, people asking the same question. I'm always getting the event passed. And as you can notice, this was just noticed a day ago. A day ago, they put a new version in. And when they put the new version in, then it started saying the event was passed. And so they're asking this question. They're looking for solutions. And you can go down and you can read what's down here. These are things for a lot of them. And they have some suggestions in here. And right here, you have a note from one of the developers. It was an issue they discovered after they launched it yesterday, and they've gone back in and they've patched up the code. And those of us that's already upgraded to the older version, we had that problem, and it just says re-upload it. So let's go ahead and try that. Okay, if you can see here, I can't upload a plugin on top of a plugin through WordPress that's already on there. But I can go into the FTP and just re-upload it. This is not something you're going to run into if you're just reading this, because you already have, they've already fixed it. You go download it, you're not going to have to worry about it. You can just set it up and get this running very quick, very easy. It's really easy to set up and get it going. And just go ahead and add it, and I'll get this site fixed. But I wanted you to know, if you have issues with some plugin or something that you're using, how to go about and try to find the answer to your problem. And searching for the answers works great. Anyway, have fun with this. Have fun with adding events to your sites. And we'll talk to you later. It's Heidi Caswell here, WordPress 101 for Boomers.